When it comes to survey instruments and their accessories, finding reliable dealers in Gurgaon Sector 29 can be a challenging task. However, one company that stands out in this field is Scon Design. As one of the leading survey instrument accessory dealers in the area, Scon Design has established a strong reputation for providing high-quality products and exceptional customer service. With their extensive range of survey instrument accessories, Scon Design caters to the diverse needs of professionals in various industries. Whether it is isDGPSreceivers, total stations, or other essential surveying tools, they offer a comprehensive selection of products to meet every requirement. Their commitment to quality ensures that all their accessories are made to withstand the rigors of demanding fieldwork and deliver accurate results. Located in Gurgaon Sector 29, Scon Design is conveniently accessible for customers in the region. This central location allows them to efficiently serve clients from different parts of Gurgaon and nearby areas. Their proximity to major transportation routes also makes it easy for customers to visit their showroom and explore their wide range of survey instrument accessories. What sets Scon Design apart from other survey instrument accessory dealers in Gurgaon Sector 29 is their dedication to customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of providing prompt and reliable service to their clients. Their knowledgeable sales team is always ready to assist customers in selecting the right accessories for their specific needs. They also offer after-sales support, ensuring that customers can rely on them for any technical assistance or troubleshooting. Another advantage of choosing Scon Design as your survey instrument accessory dealer is their competitive pricing. They strive to offer their products at affordable prices without compromising on quality. Finding reputable dealers for survey instruments and their accessories in Gurgaon Sector 29 can be difficult. Scon Design, though, is one business that distinguishes out in this industry. Scon Design has a solid reputation for offering premium products and top-notch customer service as one of the leading survey instrument accessory distributors in the region. Scon Design meets the different needs of professionals across a wide range of sectors with their broad selection of survey instrument accessories. They provide a wide range of items to satisfy every need, whether it be for isDGPSreceivers, total stations, or other crucial surveying gear. All of their accessories are intended to resist the rigors of tough fieldwork and provide precise results because of their devotion to quality. Customers in the area may easily access Scon Design because it is situated in Gurgaon's Sector 29. Due to its strategic location, they can effectively serve customers from all throughout Gurgaon and the surrounding areas. Customers can easily visit their showroom and browse their extensive selection of survey instrument accessories thanks to their close proximity to important transit networks. Scon Design's commitment to client satisfaction sets them different from other survey instrument accessory retailers in Sector 29 in Gurgaon. They are aware of the value of offering their customers